Hello again and welcome to the channel. You probably heard about the huge AsterDex Airdrop, where 700 million and free Aster tokens are being given away to its users. In this video I will explain how to sign up for the airdrop and what you need to do to get free Aster tokens, so stick with me. AsterDex is a brand new decentralized exchange. CZ, the CEO of Binance, heavily endorses AsterDex and wants to grow it bigger than Hyperliquid. To promote the launch, they offer one of the biggest airdrops ever done and give away millions of dollars in Aster tokens. The stage 1 airdrop is over, but stage 2 is now happening and ends on 5 October 2025, so you still have time to join. Along with the release of AsterDex comes the Aster token. Some people call it the next BNB coin, which is the native token of the Binance Smart Chain. BNB went from 50 cents to $1,000, so the expectations are huge and Aster is generating massive excitement. I was very bullish on BNB on my Twitter a few years ago, and if you had listened and bought BNB in the beginning, you could now be a millionaire. If you want to be early to a project that is backed by the world's biggest crypto exchange, this is your chance. AsterDex will shake up the crypto trading scene and take away a lot of money from its competitor Hyperliquid. But the airdrop of free Aster tokens is what really attracts people to AsterDex. If you're active in the Aster ecosystem by holding, minting, swapping or trading, you will earn a slice of the total token supply. Binance and some other exchanges hold about 80 or 90% of the total supply, but they allocate 4% of it for airdrops. With Aster sitting at around 3 billion market cap, that's hundreds of millions of dollars to give away. The airdrop ends on 17 October, so if you're thinking about joining, the window is still open. And here's the good part, you can jump in with as little as $10 or $100 or whatever you're comfortable with. If you want to join the airdrop, be sure to use my referral link in the description below so you join my team. The more people in the team, the more rewards we can collectively earn. I also give you a 50% rebate, unlike others who keep 100% of the rebate for themselves. To log in AsterDex, just connect your wallet and no KYC is required. The easiest wallet to connect is MetaMask or Ruby because they support multiple chains. Choose Binance chain, click connect wallet, then send request, sign the prompt, which doesn't cost you any money, and you're in. Click on deposit to send BNB or USDT from your MetaMask wallet to your AsterDex account, and when the money has arrived, which takes up a minute, you can buy Aster tokens on the spot market. This is the easiest way to earn points for the airdrop. Aster is still in its early stages, but it's already showing serious potential. With a multi-billion-dollar market cap and an active airdrop campaign, this could be one of the most exciting tokens to watch and trade right now. You can earn points trading on the perpetual market, but if you have never used leverage trading before, I would advise you to stay away, as it's easy to get liquidated if you don't know what you're doing. Also, don't use the 1001x tool because this is pure gambling. To leverage trade, you will need to transfer funds from the spot wallet to the perpetual wallet. You can use USDT or BNB to trade, but to get more airdrop reward points, it's better to trade with USDF tokens. To get these USDF tokens, click More, choose USDF, enter the amount, even $10 is fine, and click Approve USDT. Your USDF tokens will be minted and loaded into your spot wallet. You can earn more points by being active on the platform, so even small traders have a shot at significant rewards. You can, for example, open and close small trades repeatedly to rack up activity points. I am currently in an Aster USDT trade on the spot market, and I also have a 20x leverage position in BNB. To see how many points you have earned, go to the rewards page. If there is a message that you haven't joined a team yet, use my referral code. Click on Bind your invite code quickly, enter the code 4055581 and click OK. It's very important to join as a team as the rewards are bigger and you get more points. There's a leaderboard with the best performing wallets and a link with all the details about the Stage 2 airdrop if you want to know more. In the portfolio page you can overview all your assets, and if you click on more you can access the grid and copy trading feature, or you can also mint or stake different tokens and earn yield and rewards. One of the unique aspects of this airdrop is the referral system. By pooling together, everyone on the team benefits more as the collective trading activity increases. With a 4% airdrop allocation worth hundreds of millions, it's no wonder traders everywhere are paying attention. Like I said before, you don't need a huge amount of capital. Small deposits and consistent participation can add up airdrops points fast. Once the airdrop ends, your free Aster tokens will be sent to your spot wallet. From there you can choose to transfer the Aster to your MetaMask or Rabby wallet, or you can trade them on AsterDex to make more money. Just remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice. Anything can happen in crypto and nothing is guaranteed. If you have any questions about this airdrop, drop them in the comments below or contact me on my Discord or Telegram. If you decide to jump in, be sure to use my link below so we can earn more points as a team. Thanks again for watching, and if you liked this video, leave a like, or even better, subscribe to the channel to get all my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.